to be doing part 2 of the squishy video. So let's go on to the video. So 69, I believe, for this guy and this zombie poop. This rainbow hedgehog, cute little guy. This galaxy panda. This little fox. This cactus. This little penguin. This gold poop. This piece of bread. This beer. This strawberry. This popcorn. This cute little taco. This little pineapple. This other taco. This astronaut cat. This one's pretty soft actually. And this alpaca from Hobby Lobby. This from Amazon. Why was there a coin on there? It's stuck to the back of it. But this galaxy cat and a banana. Got from Amazon. This little cake. I'll just show it anyway. But this is a kind of a Duckling squishy, but not at the same time because it's not much. But it's kind of cereal cake type thing. This spoon in there. It's not a really good squishy. And then this panda squishy. This cute little lemon thing. And here, there's Fauna Fondant. And then Tabby the tiger. And then there's one more that I'm going to be showing you guys, and then I'm going to do part 3. You ready? Dun-dun-dun. This big peach. I have another big peach, but I'm going to show you that in the next video if you want to see that. This one is not as cute looking right now as the other one. Yeah, it's not too bad. It's realizing. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like if you like this video and subscribe. That'd be awesome. Click that notification button down below if you want to be notified every time I make a new video. And yeah, I'm my crazy peeps.